A dollar might turn to a million, and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get this dough. No way.